Life is finite, but here's a perspective that might surprise you. It's not the amount of time you have, but how you use it that defines its value. Imagine this. You might only have around 27,000 days in your life. Now, let's put that into perspective. If you're 35 years old, you've already burned through over 12,700 days. How many of those days can you honestly say were spent building your future, strengthening relationships, or pursuing your passions? The question isn't just how much time you've lived, but how much life you've packed into your time. If this idea doesn't sit right with you, don't worry. The good news is it's never too late to rewrite the script. Stick with us through these 9 transformative principles, and by the end, you'll have the tools to take charge of your time, wealth, and legacy like never before. 1. Time is money, literally. Think of time as the ultimate currency, and every day you make decisions on how to spend it. Now ask yourself, are you spending it on things that create compound interest in your life? Benjamin Franklin once said, "Lost time is never found again." And he's right. Whether it's investing in meaningful relationships, building financial independence, or developing skills, each decision carries weight. For instance, take financial prioritization. If you've been bogged down by endless to-do lists, consider this approach inspired by Warren Buffett. Write down your top 25 goals. Now circle the 5 that matter most and actively avoid the rest. This isn't just a productivity hack, it's a wealth-building strategy. The clearer your focus, the better your results, both in life and finances. Number 2, stop waiting for someday. Someday is a trap that keeps dreams out of reach. How often do you catch yourself saying, "I'll start when I have more time," or "I'll pursue that goal after things settle down"? The truth is, there will never be a perfect moment. Waiting only delays progress. Instead, take one small step today. Want to improve your health? Start with a 10-minute walk. Hoping to reconnect with an old friend? Send them a quick message now. Each tiny action creates momentum, making the next step easier. Think about your long-term goals. Whether it's saving for a dream home or learning a new skill, the key is consistency. Even setting aside $20 a week or dedicating 15 minutes daily to practice can lead to significant results over time. The point isn't to achieve everything at once, but to begin, because someday starts today. 3. Making time expand. Why does time feel faster as we age? It's not just perception, it's a lack of novelty. When you were younger, every summer felt endless because each experience was new. As adults, we settle into routines and the days blur together. The solution? Break the monotony. Try picking up a new hobby or immersing yourself in an unfamiliar culture. Research shows that novel experiences create richer memories, making time feel fuller. Investing in experiences often brings the greatest rewards. Whether it's taking a short course, planning a meaningful trip with loved ones, or simply trying something new, these moments create lasting memories and personal growth. Studies show that experiences bring more happiness than material possessions. So choose to enrich your life with actions that inspire and connect you to others. Number 4, relationships. Your greatest asset. In the world of wealth, relationships are the true currency. Think about it. No one climbs to the top alone. Successful entrepreneurs often cite their networks as pivotal to their growth. But relationships require investment, much like finances. Small, consistent efforts, like showing gratitude, offering support, or simply being present, yield exponential returns. Interestingly, even weak ties, the acquaintances you barely know, can open doors. Networking events, community gatherings, or even casual conversations at a coffee shop can lead to unexpected opportunities. As venture capitalist Reid Hoffman famously said, the fastest way to change yourself is to hang out with people who are already the way you want to be. Number 5, career build, don't climb. Gone are the days of climbing a single career ladder. Today's world values adaptability. Think of your career as a mosaic, where each piece, a skill, a connection, an experience, adds to the bigger picture. Early in your career, prioritize learning over earning. It's the skills you acquire, not the paycheck you earn, that will pay dividends in the long run. Diversify your skill set. Whether it's coding, public speaking, or financial literacy, Every new skill is a tool in your arsenal. 6. Energy, the hidden multiplier. Managing your energy is as crucial as managing your time. Think of it this way. A drained battery can't power anything, no matter how much time you have. For example, imagine feeling constantly burnt out, unable to think clearly or focus on what truly matters. When you prioritize rest and recovery, everything changes. Sleep, for instance, isn't just about avoiding exhaustion. It's a powerful tool for boosting creativity, sharpening your decision-making, and enhancing focus. As Ariana Huffington highlights in her book, The Sleep Revolution, rest isn't a luxury, it's essential. A well-rested mind can generate innovative ideas, tackle complex problems, and keep you efficient. Without it, even the most promising plans can crumble under the weight of fatigue. Take breaks, step away when you need to, and watch how your productivity soars. 7. Mastering emotional control. Emotions like stress, anger, frustration, and fear often cloud our judgment, leading us to make decisions we later regret or, worse, avoid taking action altogether. What if you could learn to control these emotions and face challenges with a clear, focused mind? Take stress, for example. Instead of letting it paralyze you, see it as a signal to pause and reassess your priorities. Practice deep breathing or mindfulness techniques to calm your mind and regain focus. When frustration or failure arises, remind yourself that setbacks are a natural part of growth. Use these moments to reflect, learn, and adapt your approach. Emotional resilience isn't about avoiding challenges, but navigating through them with purpose and clarity. Fear can be a terrible emotion, whether it's fear of relationships, starting something new, or making a major life change. But remember, fear is often just a signal that something important is at stake. Acknowledge it, break it into manageable steps, and take action. The key is not letting fear hold you back from the life you deserve. Recognize your emotional triggers and have a plan in place to manage them. By mastering your emotions, you'll not only make better decisions, but also live a more focused, intentional, and fulfilling life. Number 8, money, a tool for freedom. Let's not sugarcoat it. Money matters, but it's not about the stuff. It's about freedom. Freedom to spend time with loved ones, pursue passions, or simply enjoy life. To get there, avoid the trap of lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, resist the urge to upgrade your lifestyle in lockstep. Instead, channel those extra funds into investments. A simple rule? Follow the 50-30-20 budget. 50% for essentials, 30% for discretionary spending, and 20% for savings and investments. Remember, the goal isn't just to make money, but to let your money work for you. 9. Take control of your life. Designing your life starts with a simple question. Are you living intentionally or just reacting to circumstances? It's not about having a perfect roadmap, but creating a framework that aligns with your values and goals. Start by visualizing your dream lifestyle. What does a perfect day look like for you? Is it spending mornings with your family, dedicating afternoons to creative projects, or building a business you're passionate about? Write it down and identify small actions you can take to move closer to that vision. Small adjustments can create significant change. Taking just 15 minutes daily to plan your priorities or starting your day with a simple, focused routine can lead to greater clarity and momentum over time. Use metrics that matter to you. Forget societal benchmarks like titles or possessions. Instead, focus on values that resonate with you, such as personal growth, meaningful relationships, or financial security. Periodically review your progress and adjust your actions to stay aligned with your goals. Think of your journey as a living project. Experiment, learn, and adapt. By taking control, you turn each day into a deliberate step toward a fulfilling and purposeful life. Your time is your life's most precious resource. Spend it with intention. Build a life that reflects your values, creates wealth, and fosters meaningful relationships. The journey won't always be easy, but it will always be worth it. So, what's your next move? Will you take control of your time, prioritize your goals, and design a life that truly matters? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Together, we'll continue learning how to live not just successfully, but meaningfully.